In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart in Shopify. We'll walk through the exact steps to add a clear, clickable size guide right on your product page, using the theme editor that's already built into Shopify. This is a great way to reduce returns and help customers feel confident about what they're buying. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the online store option and click it. This will open your list of themes. At the very top, you'll see your current live theme. Next to that theme, click the option to edit the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can change how your store looks. At the top of the theme editor, you'll see a page selector, which is usually set to the homepage by default. Click that drop-down, then go to Products and choose Default Product. This switches the preview on the right, so you're editing the layout for a typical product page. On the left panel, look for the Product Information section. This is where things like the title, price, and size picker usually live. Click the small right-pointing arrow next to it to expand and reveal all the blocks inside. Then click Add Block. From the options, choose Accordion. In some themes, this might be called Collapsible Row, but it works the same way. Once it's added, you can drag and drop this accordion block up or down in the list so it sits near your size selector. That way, customers will easily notice it when they're choosing a size. Your new accordion may come with multiple rows by default, often 3. To clean this up, hover over the extra rows in the left panel and click the trash icon that appears on the right to delete them, leaving just one accordion row. Inside that row, there's usually a text block. Since we're going to show an image-based size chart, we don't need that text block. Click the arrow next to your accordion row to reveal its contents, then hover over the text block and click the trash icon to remove it. Now let's add your actual size chart. Under that same accordion row, click Add Block again, and this time choose Image. Click the newly added image block to open its settings. Next to Image, click Select. A file picker will appear where you can upload or choose your size chart image. Once you've selected the correct file, click Done in the bottom right. If your theme allows linking from another location, you can also use the link field to select the image if it's stored elsewhere in your store's files. Next, update the heading for the accordion row so customers know exactly what it is. You can click the accordion title directly in the preview on the right to open its settings, or select it from the left panel. In the heading field, type something like size chart or size guide, depending on the language you use across your store. Before you publish, test how it works. In the preview on the right, click the accordion row and make sure your size chart image appears correctly, is readable, and looks good alongside the rest of your product information. If needed, adjust the order or spacing by dragging the block on the left until you're happy. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This will apply the size chart to your default product layout, so all products using that template will now display your new size guide. And that's it. You've successfully added a size chart to your Shopify product page using the theme editor.